guys, good morning. Whoa, the lighting guys, it's so annoying sometimes, but it's better now. So I woke up super early today as well, but I woke up at 6 today, and yes, I've been sleeping really early recently. That's why I'm waking this early, but I like to wake up early guys. It's okay for me. I'm gonna start my day. I've got all masked. Lighting guys, if you have tripod, this is the problem guys. Look at this. You can see the shadow, you know. It's annoying guys, but you have to vlog it like this. You have to move a little bit away from the lighting. I woke up early and it's gonna be a lovely day guys. Hope it's warm today, cause right now it's freezing cold. I'm gonna put my heater on and start my day. I kept my camera over here with my glasses, and seriously guys, I dropped it so hard. I dropped my camera so hard guys. That's why I'm checking if it's working or not. Seriously guys, I'm so clumsy. I can't believe myself sometimes guys. It gets so annoying sometimes because I don't mind breaking, you know, inexpensive stuffs, but this stuff, my vlogging camera, no boy, no, it's working so far, so thank goodness. I'm gonna put my camera over here now cause that place was really dodgy, you know. So I'm gonna keep my camera over here, and yeah, put all my stuff over here so that I can take these downstairs. So I also cleaned my kitchen yesterday guys. Look at this. No mat over here cause I mopped the floor and kept it like this last night. Don't you love it when your kitchen is nice and clean? I like it a lot when my kitchen and toilet is super clean guys. So there you go guys, I'm gonna cook something delicious for myself. I had some leftover curry guys, so I decided to eat the leftovers for my brekkie. I'm lazy today guys, I don't want to cook anything, so I'm eating my leftover broccoli and edamame curry and some sausage and tortilla, which is warming up right now. Got my heater on, my brekkie is right over here, and I'm gonna watch a video. So yeah, let's check what's up. I'm gonna watch, oh, this is for Dukai. I love her beauty videos guys, but I want to watch something else, you know, something fun. I'm gonna watch more vlogs guys. I did a face mask guys and I can't talk. My hot water is ready now. I'm going upstairs to take a shower. Sorry if I scared you. Can't even laugh guys. Just finished my shower guys, and it was so nice. I love hot showers guys, and I feel so relaxing afterwards. I just love the feeling guys. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for today. So finally I'm ready guys. I did my hair as well and I'm looking good. I love it guys. Today I'm wearing bright color lips with winged eyelines and some smoky eye. And did you like the trick which I did with my eyebrows? I sprayed a little bit of makeup spray and then cleaned the area around my eyebrows to make it look sharp and on fleek. That's my makeup for today guys. Update guys, so far I have lost 3.5 kgs since I came back from Nepal, and seriously guys, you can't see a lot of difference on my face, but you guys know that I've been eating clean and I have been doing lots of exercise and cardio dance workouts, so you guys can tell from seeing my face, but I've lost lot of fat guys. So I'm really proud of myself guys. Yesterday I tried some of my old clothes and it fits me so perfectly. You remember when I was 92 kgs, some of the smaller clothes like blouse and skirts, they didn't fit me when I was 92 kgs, and right now I'm 92 kgs and it fits me like a glove guys. It's little bit loose as well, and I can't believe myself. By doing just little exercises and eating clean, I have lost so much fat. And if you are also with me in this journey, let's do it together girls and get lovely and toned. Seriously guys, 30-minute workout is the key for my weight loss now. It is so good. It makes you pumped up and you are happy all day and you get excited for your dance workout. Cardio dance workout is a must guys, because when you are dancing your heartbeat is going up and sometimes it's going down, so that is the key for burning your fat and sweating a lot. So definitely do that guys, and let's do this together and conquer the world and be a better version of us, And yeah, I'm super excited guys, and this time this weight loss journey is so much fun and I'm not controlling myself a lot. I'm doing lots of fun stuff, exercising, eating lots of green vegetables, no chips guys, no junk food. I'm eating little bit of junk food but not a lot. So basically you have to give up soda, sugar, junk foods. Basically you have to give up junk food and then eat healthy. You can eat meat, whatever you want, include lots of fruit guys. So that's my tip for you guys. So proud of myself girls, you won't even believe, because every time there is a party or something like that, I really get body conscious and I really don't like the feeling. But right now I'm really excited for parties and I want to show off new clothes. My confidence level has gone up and that's what I exactly wanted to see on myself. So yeah, I want to be better within myself and I'm loving this feeling guys. So guys, I just made a wee dance workout playlist for myself and you guys won't believe I got so many good songs. Look at this: Call Me Maybe, Katy Perry, more Katy Perry, Beyonce, Shakira, all kinds of latest songs. I'm really excited to do this workout guys. Do what you love guys. If you want to include some sort of exercise in your daily routine, then add something you like and you really enjoy guys. I love dancing, that's why I added dance workout on my daily routine and it works guys. Don't get disappointed if you don't lose weight, but you are actually losing fat. When you are exercising you won't see result immediately, slowly you will see the results guys. Believe me guys, you will feel so much lighter and active and you will feel so much toner. You will lose a lot of body fat, and do what you enjoy and stick with it. All the best guys. Happy weight loss journey to you as well if you are with me. Did you like my glasses guys? These are not new. I got this one a long time ago from opticians I believe, and I paid around 25 pounds for these. मैले चाहिँ एउटा चस्मा लिभिङ रुममा राख्छु सधैँ अनि एउटा चाहिँ माथि राख्छु, cause it's so much easier for me. Right now I use my glasses while using my iPhone or my iPad as well, so yeah, it's handy for me if I keep one here and one upstairs. So by the way, I want to show you something and it is so cute. I think you will love it. So this is the money plant which I really wanted to show you guys. It's so cute and little. I just love it guys. Actually Anta Didi gave this to me when I went to her place and she has two big money plants, and oh my god guys, it's so big and gorgeous. I just loved it. So I put this money plant in this pot with some water, and I'm gonna let the roots grow first so that I can put it in a bigger pot, and then it can grow a lot more, and you know, it's gonna look same like Anita Didi's, and I just can't wait guys. So that's all for today's vlog guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs. I love you all. Please make sure to share my vlogs with your friends, families, dogs, cats, everyone guys. That would be really awesome for me, and I would heartily thank you guys for doing that, because it will mean a lot to me if you guys will do that for me. Please make sure to do that, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Welcome to the family guys, and yes, thank you so much for watching. Bye.